Namaste, Hari Om. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you at Bharat Yoga English. Today we are going to learn Ghoornika Gati. Now it is one of the very effective and very interesting gatis and everybody can do it. Except there is one precaution which I'll be telling you now after sharing the benefits. So when we talk about Ghoornika Gati, best practice for your overall health. So just like Sarvang Gati that we practiced on the second day of this 11-day learning Gati program. So Sarvang Gati, similarly like Sarvang Gati, it also gives benefit. It is beneficial for each and every organ of your body, especially a wonderful practice for diabetic patients, for those who have problem with their kidneys or their liver, and for those who really want to reduce weight from their abdomen, like they want to have abs or want to reduce their waist size. It is also beneficial in getting the energy levels upward, so nourishing your skin, and also good for your hair fall, for your eye health, for your overall health. But if you have lumbar pain or lower back pain, then you cannot practice it in the cross-legged position. Now, even if you feel comfortable doing it, still don't do it, because if you do this movement in the cross-legged position, that can affect adversely on your lumbar pain or your lower back pain. So what these people can do who suffer from the problem of lumbar pain or lower back pain, they can do it in the Vajrasan. Rest, everybody can do it the way I'm sharing it with you, because this is the right way to do it. So either you sit in Padmasan as I'm sitting, or Ardha Padmasan in this position, or just Chokri Markar Baithna. So place your hands at your knees. I'll show it to you in Padmasan, because that is, for me, that is a little more easy and effective. Place your palms at your knees. Now keep your spine straight. Now while exhaling, we have to bend forward. First you inhale and then exhale and bend forward. And from here, give a circular movement. Try to make a big circle. And then come back. So then slowly open your eyes. So 5 clockwise movements and 5 anti-clockwise movements for the beginning. Gradually you can take it to 10, and maximum you can take it to 15 repetitions. More than that is not required. So practice Ghoornika Mudra every day if you really want to stay healthy and happy, if you want to bid a farewell to your problems and your diseases. And this International Day of Yoga, take a resolution to practice Yoga Abhyas every single day. We are learning these wonderful Bharat Yoga Gatis, curated, prepared at Mokshaitan Yoga Sansthan by Vandaniya Gurudev Swami Bharat Bhushan Ji. That's why they are called Bharat Yoga Gatis. And you all can practice these Gatis. Stay healthy, stay happy, lots of love, light and blessings. Hari Om.